Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today I've got a really great product from Black Spike, and it is a jump starting battery. It's an air compressor, and it's all in one combined. And I'm just going to show you a little way that it could jumpstart your battery, and I'll show you how you can pump up your tires with this, and I'll just show you the way around this. What a great Christmas present for that young person just setting out, or that person that just doesn't have something like this underneath their car and it's wintertime. Do you have that person in your life that calls you for a jump start 17 times a winter? Maybe it's a young person in your life. Get them one of these right here. So let's open up the bag. First off, just look at the packaging. It's really nice. Waterproof packaging. It just says gift, doesn't it? So, and this would slide under a seat very nicely. So we unzip that. We open it up. Look at that. So take this out, put it down, and then behind here is, of course, the instructions, which I have read, and the instructions on this are very nice. Sometimes the instructions on these things are not great, but this one's pretty good. And then behind that, you have a charging cord. You do have to provide the charging block. It's a normal C-type charging block for a phone. And then you have a collection of things to pump up tires with, tires, basketballs, anything connections that you could use to charge, inflatable rafts and things like that. If you're at the lake camping, things like that, pretty cool. And then of course you have the thing that you need to pump up tires on your car with right there. That's the attachment there. And then you have the jumper cable. So very complete set. You got your alligator clips, jumper cables right there. And so let's take a look at this guy right here. Black Spike. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see. So we're going to turn this on. So there's a light also. So to turn that light on, you just hit the power button. And it turns on. So that's a light in the dark. When you're trying to do this in the dark, you have a light to do it with. And then you can push it again, and it will flash for a distress signal. Push it again. It's a fast distress signal. Push it again, and it gives you a red light for distress. So pretty nice there, too. On the back, this is your port where you would plug in your place to pump up your tires. On the other side here, you have charging ports to charge your phones. In an emergency, you can use it as a phone charger, and you also have a regular old-fashioned charging port also. Very nice. All right, so in the front here, we're going to, so in the back, this is where you plug in your jumper cable set. So you plug that in. So this has got a little cap on it. Take that off, and it's keyed. You can see that it's flat on this side. Then you just plug it in here. Plug it in good and tight, and then it is blue. You get a blue light. All right, so now we want to connect this up. So I've always been taught, connect your ground first, and you can connect your ground right up to the connector here if you want to. A lot of times you can connect it to any bolt on your car also. And then connect red to positive, and you'll get a green light. See that green light? And see what happens if you connect it backwards. You get a red light. Hopefully you can see that on there. You get a red light. It's telling you, nope, nope, nope. You've got it hooked up wrong. It says RC, wrong connection. I believe that was what it mean. So I don't really have a dead battery, so I'm not going to jumpstart this battery, but that's all there is to doing that. So we will unplug this. Let's go around and pump up a tire. So we've got this. We've got our set here, and we've got to screw this in right here. Get it in there decently tight. Then we're going to take the cap off my tire here. And then I'm going to turn this on. Let's zero down there so you can see it. All right, now it says KPA. So I'm going to see if I can't change that to pounds. PSI. So there we go, PSI. I just clamp that across there like that. And I'm at 35 PSI, which is what I generally like to write on. I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 pound. And it automatically stopped at 36, which is awesome. Like that. Put our cap back on. So as you can see, this is a nice little setup. Jump start, emergency jump start underneath your seat. Pump up tires in an emergency. If your batteries go dead on your phone, you can charge those up in an emergency. Nice little thing for anyone you love about or care about to have under the seat of their car. Needs to be recharged probably once a month, just to be topped off. It won't be dead. Probably plug it in for an hour or two just to top it off so that it's always ready. So call them on the first of every month and say, hey, pull that thing out of your car and charge it. Get them through the winter. They'll always have pumped up tires, and they'll always have their own jump start. They won't be calling you at 3 in the morning.